Alrighty, the next one is another that I have a 15 ml bottle of, but you're only going to get a 5 ml bottle in your premium starter kit. It just so happens this is the one that I have. This is Stress Away. This one just is very good for helping to calm nervous tension from the day. When you've had a junk day or everything just seems to be going wrong, a little Stress Away, rub it on, inhale it. It's a good way to just release the stress and the tension of the day. This is another blend. It has copiaba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, ocotea, and lavender. All of these oils are blended together so that we can enjoy the relaxing properties of all of them. So just like I said, another good way to relax. You can find it in the premium starter kit from Young Living, and you can click subscribe on our YouTube channel, Young Living the Good Life, to learn more about all of these oils and to learn about all the products that Young Living has to offer. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.